What is up, guys? It's Tom from Tech Time here, and I'm back with another video. As you all know, New Year's Eve just rang in about a week ago. New Year's Day came and went, and you know what came with that was New Year's resolutions. Everybody came up with a resolution. Everybody has these big ideas, and normally top on that list is getting healthy and getting into the gym or something along those lines. Getting healthy is normally probably the top thing that everybody comes into the new year with and hoping that they can maintain. So what we have here today, guys, is a portable blender. Now this is going to allow you to make smoothies on the go and bring this blender with you. Blend it up at work. If you work outdoors, you can blend it up outdoors. If you're on a hike, you can blend this thing up anywhere you want to go. This is made by Ordergo. This is their 4th generation portable blender. This one was released in 2017, made out of all high quality food grade materials, so there's no BPAs, FDA approved. This thing is perfectly safe for taking on the go and making any kind of smoothies or blended up fruits or anything that you want to make with this thing. The package includes a mini juicer bottle, the manual, which is inside the bottle, and a USB charging cable that you can use to connect and charge this up. After you charge it, you should get about 2.5 hours of runtime with this thing. They do advise that you cut fruit and vegetables into smaller chunks, anything smaller than 3 by 3, you know, so you're not really stressing this thing out. This thing is a portable blender. It runs off of 2,000 milliamp hour batteries. Which is pretty cool. You can also charge your phone from this thing, so it's also a portable battery pack, which is really, really cool in my opinion. I thought you guys would enjoy this. I myself are trying to get more healthy this year. Used to be in the gym years ago. I haven't been in the gym recently. You know, you pack on those pounds, you want to lose them, and this is a good way to do it by eating healthy fruit and vegetable smoothies. And this thing right here seems like a great idea. A couple of years ago, I was looking for portable blenders to mix up protein shakes and stuff when I'm on the go. I work construction, I'm out in the field. Normally don't have, you know, blenders and things like that. So this is a great idea. I couldn't find one years ago, but this one right here seems it works really good. Like I said, it's made by Ordergo. This is a high-speed blender. This is the packaging you got right here. Shows you some, you know, stuff right here. You got this written in Chinese or Japanese or who the hell knows, I don't know what it is. Charging time, about 3 hours. Battery capacity, you got a 2,000 milliamp hour, but it says it has 2 of those. Blending sections, up to 20 times after a full charge. Standby time, turns off in 5 seconds after non-use. And then the thing weighs about 850 grams. Like I said, you can supposedly use this to charge a phone or something like that, so that's pretty cool. We'll see how that works, unless I read that wrong. So this is what we got inside the container. This is your blender right there. And we have your charging cable. So this is everything you need. This thing is pretty cool, really small. On the bottom is where you're gonna be able to charge this thing up. You just pull this thing out, I believe. Well, maybe I'm wrong with that. No, it's definitely the charging piece. It's just a pain in the ass to get out. Well, I use my charger wire like so. Wow. So this thing obviously doesn't like to be recharged often. So there you go. There's your micro USB charger. Doesn't come with an adapter, but you know, just hook that in right there. If you can get that rubber gasket out of there. That's a pain in the ass. That could be a problem. You got your power button here. And this thing's already charged up, ready to go. So, you know, pretty good size cup on there. This thing unscrews and pops right off. You have 2 separate containers. So this right here you can drink through and it won't get any of the blended up fruit. You know, if the seeds or anything, this should strain out most of the seeds. You can take that off and, you know, drink without it. This is your cover. It's got a rubber gasket inside so nothing leaks out. You have your handle right here to hold it. Pretty cool color in green. You got your blades down there. Nice. That'll blend everything up that you need. And here is your travel blender. Truly portable travel blender. No AC outlet needed. That's pretty cool. You got your user guide here. Your cap, your strainer, your cylinder cup, your blade. Shows you everything. Your status LED, your start-stop button, your base, your rechargeable port. Make sure the travel blender is fully charged by connecting the USB cable to an USB AC DC adapter. Like the USB AC adapters included with your cell phone or computer, can cut fruit into chunks not larger than 3x3. Twist off the cap to the strainer of the travel blend, place the solids, diced fruits inside. You know, it's typical. If you know how to use a blender, you know how to use this thing. For the most part, it's pretty self-explanatory. So we're gonna get into making some fruit smoothies right now and show you guys this thing in action. So let's get into that now. So now it's time to make the smoothie. You got the bananas, we got the strawberries, we got some almond milk, and we have a 6-star plant-based protein mixed berry smoothie powder with lots of protein. So let's get into it. First, you're gonna cut up your banana. They said nothing bigger than a 3x3. So we'll just cut this thing into some small pieces as not to overpower the blender. Cut some strawberries up like so. Maybe not get too crazy with the strawberries. We'll just cut these into big chunks. So it's fairly easy, guys. Like I said, you want to be, you know, fairly healthy. It's not too hard. Now you're going to take your blender cup and you're going to just toss all this beautiful fruit into it, your bananas, and you don't want to fill this thing up more than 2/3 of the way, they say. So there you go. You got your cup filled up there, and that's what you're going to be heading in. And then from there, you're going to take your almond milk, pour some in there. You don't want it too liquidy, so that's about good. You just wing it with these things. It's not rocket science when you're making a smoothie. It really isn't. Put a little bit of protein powder. Throw that in there. You get your cover. Throw your cover on. And let's see how this baby works. So you're on the go. You're at the office. Here we go. Look at that baby go. For a portable blender, that thing's sweet. Also have to test this out with frozen fruit, but for fresh fruit, this thing looks pretty good. Look at it go, no problems, automatic shut off, and you have a beautiful smoothie. So let's test this thing out. It's all done. You blended it up. Now it's time to taste this beautiful smoothie that you got. You got your strainer in there to block any seeds that maybe you didn't get. Wow, that's unbelievable. Such an easy way to stay fit. You know, get your fruits, your vegetables, some protein, and some other things that you can put, whatever you want to put in these things. They're great. And this time of the year, like I said, everybody's trying to get healthy. Everybody wants to turn over a new leaf, you know, burn some calories, not eat such bad food. This is a great way to do it, and you can do it on the go with this beautiful portable blender. $33, and I'm really impressed by how well it works. You can't beat this for the price. You can't. If you're on the go, you're out, you know, doing physical activities, you're going to CrossFit and you want to blend something up on your way to work, you put this thing in there, keep it maybe in a cooler or something like that, and you have everything you need to go. Or you keep some to-go bags, some smoothie bags all cut up, throw it in here, blend it up, and you're good to go. This is a great idea, guys. I'm glad I found it. If you're interested, I'll leave the link in the description, but you really can't beat these things. I feel healthy already. Anyways, guys, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.